Hi, it's time for trucks. Today I'm above the M5 near Highbridge. Let's see what trucks we can spot. I got so excited I kicked my phone. Whoa! Oh, there's a boss field coming down. I get a picture of the boss field. We've got a flash going on too. Yeah. I get a funny feeling. No, it's not Ned King's, this one. Yes. Yes, the tones from the Tool Mix Recycling. That's the Knacker Man right there. Yes, scene. TGV horn. Very good. TGV horn as well, we like that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. West Country Bolt, yeah. Excellent tones. Wings. Last minute tones from the Waynes. Bob bob. Yes, the flash. Tones and a flash, we like that. Oh, look at the CP long coming down. That Renault looks smart. That looks smart, we like that. Tones. Well, they are, yes. What they got on the back? Anything good? Look at this in the first lane though, these Land Rovers. They look awesome. One was overtaking the other one as well. There must be like a Land Rover show on down south. Flash. Tones. Toot toot. Scania coming down. That's very nice. Toot toot. Yes, the flash. Tones. Nice.